Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic: 4 elements of our existence. A yogi says our existence is made up of 4 elements: body, prana, mind, and soul. In this video, we will attempt to understand the relationship between these 4 elements in different states of life: the waking state, the state of sleep, the state of meditation, the state of samadhi, and death. The body is made up of the 5 great elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. These elements determine our physical structure and activities. Earth, bones, flesh, and solid parts of the body. Water, blood and bodily fluids. Fire, digestive power and body temperature. Air, breathing and bodily movement. Space, hollow organs, and space within the body. Prana is the life energy that keeps our body active. It is obtained through breathing in oxygen, which spreads throughout the body. Oxygen provides life energy to our cells, enhancing the body's functionality. The mind is the center of our mental capacities, controlling our thoughts, feelings, and senses. It stores experiences and memories, helping us make decisions. The soul is our eternal and pure form, providing us with a spiritual perspective. It connects beyond the body and mind to eternal truth and higher consciousness. Waking state. In the waking state, prana remains inside the body. The mind is active outside the body, and the soul connects the mind and prana. This state represents our daily life, where we engage in physical and mental activities. Sleep state, also known as the dream state. In the sleep or dream state, prana remains inside the body, the soul leaves the body, and the mind establishes a connection between prana and the soul. This state occurs when we are in sleep or dreaming. Meditative state. In meditation, when all the elements are inside the body, it signifies the deep state of meditation. In this state, prana, mind, and soul are integrated within the body, providing mental peace and stability. This is the beginning phase of meditation, where concentration becomes deep. Samadhi state. When meditation deepens into samadhi, the mind stays inside the body, the soul leaves the body, and prana establishes a connection between the mind and soul. In this state, prana acts as a connector, allowing the yogi to remain alive even without breathing, but without being dead. This is the state of deep meditation and samadhi, where yogis attain higher spiritual consciousness. Death state. If 2 of the elements, prana, mind, or soul, leave the body, the 3rd element also leaves the body. At this point, life ends and death occurs. A yogi says that the relationship between the body, prana, mind, and soul plays a vital role in different states of life. The activities of these elements in the waking, sleep, meditation, samadhi, and death states define our mental, physical, and spiritual states. Waking state, daily life activities with high physical and mental activity. Sleep state, physical rest and dream activities. Meditative state, mental peace and stability. Deep practice of meditation. Samadhi state, high spiritual consciousness, samadhi. Death state, end of life. These life states help us understand the importance of physical, mental, and spiritual balance. The practice of yoga helps us understand these states more deeply, enabling us to lead a balanced and joyful life. I hope you enjoyed this analytical video. Please share your thoughts and feedback in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting video. Namaste.